guys, it's Katie Austin here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome to my kitchen. Sorry, I'm just a little bit sweaty. I just finished a workout. I was filming for my subscription program, which I have so many, like literally over 160 in-home, on-demand workout videos. I will link my subscription program down below, along with my new guide. But today, I am super stoked because I am showing you some cooking hacks that might help you simplify when you're cooking. And a lot of these hacks might seem basic to you guys, and they might seem like duh, or like that was like really stupid and easy, but at the same time, they're honestly like life-changing for me, because if you guys want to level up your cooking game, or you want to make something faster or quicker, or you want to use like some utensils or like accessories in the kitchen that will like really just help you. Even if this helps one person, I just want to show you guys what I do in the kitchen to help me and simplify and level up my cooking game. So first things first, we are going to start with how to cut an onion in the easiest way, in my opinion. So let's do it. So first things first, I'm taking a small onion right here. I'm cutting the bottom off just for stability right here. So making sure that I can like stay stabilized just like that. Next, I am taking the skin off. So I'm just gonna cut a small hole in it so I can easily take one layer of the onion off. All right, perfection. I cut a sliver just like that. What I'm gonna do is actually do that all the way around. So making sure that you're obviously staying away from your fingers, but starting from the top down, doesn't have to be perfect, all the way around the onion. As you finish that last slice throughout the entire onion, you're gonna wanna turn it over on its side. Again, watch your fingers, but watch how easy it is to dice up an onion this way. And you're kind of avoiding your crying because it's such a short amount of time to dice this onion. Okay, and just like that, seriously, in 45 seconds, you have a perfectly diced up onion. I'm not even crying. I always cry, you guys, but because it took such a short amount of time to do this, I'm not crying at all. And so that is cooking hack number one. Now let's go to the next. This looks a little weird, that how I'm handling the zucchini, but kitchen hack number two. This, again, might be very obvious, is making zoodles. But if you guys are trying to cut carbs, even though carbs are actually not bad for you, I have pasta all the time. Great way, instead of like doing all that, like the chickpea pasta, the brown rice pasta, trying to find like a healthier alternative. My favorite kind of pasta literally is zoodles, and you are getting a lot of nutrients and eating a vegetable. So I love a zoodler, and I actually like to do it myself instead of buying the store-bought, because one, it is less expensive, and number two, you're getting in a good arm workout. I cut off just a little bit of the end right there, and I'm just gonna zoodle it on up. Like I said, arm workout for sure. Look how freaking beautiful these zoodles are, you guys. I feel like this is just such an amazing, healthy alternative to pasta, so make sure you guys try it. All right, this next cooking hack, I actually get asked a lot, and it's how I make my ground turkey without it being super dry, and how I get it so ground up. So two things, I actually saute it in just a little bit of olive oil. I do some onion salt right here, and right now it's on medium heat. Put in some garlic powder as well, some pepper. And those are the three seasonings that I always use. My friend Carissa got me this for my birthday, and it's life-changing, seriously. If you guys have a meat or something that you guys actually need to mash, like ground turkey, this is going to be a game changer in a way that you're about to watch. So let's do it. I don't want the ground turkey in big chunks, so what I'm gonna do is just easily take this masher throughout the pan. It took 15 seconds to mash this ground turkey to make it perfect ground turkey. And now what I'm actually gonna do to not make the ground turkey dry is leave it on simmer for about 4 to 5 more minutes, so you're really soaking up all that moisture. Feel very flavorful, feel juicy, and get ground the exact way I want it with this guy. Okay, if you guys are like me and you love fried eggs, but you don't like your eggs sunny side up, but you want the top of it a little bit done, you just want the perfect fried egg, and you always mess up when you use a spatula and you try to flip your egg. I am going to show you how to make the perfect fried egg with a little bit of melted cheese on top without flipping your egg at all and using a spatula. All right, a little bit of butter going in the pan. I like my butter a little bit burnt too. Put the egg in there. You're gonna put a little bit of cheese on top. Here is your hack. You're gonna cover your pan. So that's the cooking hack, and just watch how perfect this egg turns out. Just 2 to 3 minutes, the egg turns out freaking perfect. This is without a spatula, you guys. The egg is perfectly fried, in my opinion. Seriously, the most amazing consistency of yolk as well. The cheese is perfectly melted. Look at that without even using a spatula. All right, on to the next hack. All right, you guys, I don't know if you have ever bought chickpeas or like used chickpeas to cook because it's actually kind of new for me, but they have this like little shell around them that in a lot of recipes such as hummus or a chickpea salad that I have made before or roasted chickpeas, sometimes you just don't want that shell. So I've spent 30 minutes peeling off shells in a chickpea can. So let's figure out how to now remove the shell in a very efficient way. Clearly drain the can. So I'm gonna place the dried chickpeas in the middle of the cloth, cover it up, and just massage it. All the shells come off right here, and it's such an easy way to peel your chickpeas if you're interested in doing that. So make sure to try this. All right, this next cooking hack is actually used in one of my childhood favorites. If you guys have kids out there and you need them to eat their broccoli in particular, I use an Immersion Blender to basically mash up or get anything, you know, a little bit more blended if I want to do, you know, mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes, or even broccoli. Broccoli mash is one of my favorite ways to eat broccoli, or my favorite way to eat broccoli. So what I did is I just boiled broccoli for a little bit, and you don't need anything else in it. I put just a little bit of butter and salt. You really don't need it though, because broccoli actually holds a lot of water when it gets boiled and even when you drain it. So don't dry your broccoli afterwards completely. You know how sometimes you like soak out the water of it? You actually want it when you blend it and make the broccoli mash. Perfect consistency. This is great for mashed potatoes, stew, if you guys want to make a very thick soup or sauce or anything like that as well. The handheld blender is actually just like 10 times easier also to clean as well than a regular blender. So that's why I highly recommend it. Again, if you're low on time doing the dishes. So cheers to mashed broccoli. Oh my God, so freaking good. Now I want to show you guys how I cut my chicken, because that is a very popular question. Okay, so I love my chicken diced really small for salads, for pastas, or really anything that I'm cooking. My biggest trick or secret is using a pizza cutter. So right now, I have my chicken tenders, and I use Lari salt, garlic powder, and pepper. Those are the seasonings, and a little bit of olive oil. And I actually probably shouldn't do this, and if you're worried about your pan, just basically transfer your chicken tenders afterwards to a cooking board. But I honestly just use the pizza cutter straight to the pan. It's horrible for the pan. I'm fully aware, you guys. But I honestly like it because then all the ends really crisp up in the olive oil a little bit afterwards as well, because I like my chicken extra crispy. So seriously, it makes it so easy to cut your chicken so small, dice it up. All right, y'all, hopefully you love these cooking hacks. Again, some of them are very simple, but yet again, they could help you out there if you are looking to level up your healthy cooking. So make sure to try them. If you guys try any of these hacks, let me know. I will also link down below my subscription program for my workout channel as well. So it's like all my workout classes on demand, online, that you guys can do at home. I love you guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and I will see you guys next week.